So guys, I just washed my car and I wanted to double check that the puddle lights are still working, because some people said after a wash that they stopped working. So I just want to verify that they're still working fine. I sprayed a ton of water inside the mirror housing just to see. Nothing so far, but again, I haven't had the car long at all. So definitely an area I'm going to keep an eye on, because I heard that they have a lot of issues. And I would say 80% of the people that have these, that at least post about it, say they don't work, or they go out after a short period of time. So that's the one area I'm going to keep track of. I'll let you guys know if they start going out. But I also know they don't have a fix for them at this moment. So I probably wouldn't get it fixed anyway, because I hear they just keep doing the same thing over. So you keep ripping your door panel apart to install the new unit, and it does it again. So the more you do that, the more chance of rattles. So it's not really worth it to me. It's a nice feature for sure, but we'll keep an eye on it. And like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know if you guys hear anything too. Post in the comment section below if you hear of any like permanent fixes for it. But right now, it's working fine, and it is soaked in there. So nothing yet. So again, keep me posted. I'll definitely keep you guys posted as well. I appreciate that. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.